Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kubleye phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Sa kajaka sa jong ulat kajela kabadon hatura lala ban ple pat ba hasor tura men haka khat artrik ukala lingkon. Ya ketik Iingsah jong ulat haraj bhawan la ple de ulat pagu chohan ning baki kor online na shillong. Kadba Menteri rang ba kajela ukon rat sangma ulap diang ngobha ya ulat natura West Garo Hills. Ha ka jingpli ya ka yung ulan laya dan ringkat do ulampang ka yung Darbar Thomas ya sangma Smithy Agatha ke sangma MP jangka Tura but Deputy Commissioner Jagdish Chelani. Menteri rangba haba ay jingpren kum usembut kongsan ulaong kalong kasngisa akan mau ha ka history karilum garu. Ula ay ka jing kuble ya ulan na kabenta ka jing kershan jang Shu ulaong kalong ka bakmen na marbaka President ka Rijongi Draupadi Murmu kanwan batsa hakani ka Iingsah ulan hakini kisngi ki bansawan. Kani ka Rajbhawan bathamay ka don hakasnong danang gre jong ka sortura balate ya ka haka jingnut ba arfusaw pon shiklur tingka. Haka jaka bahe arfu pra pon saupsan akar ka Rajbhawan hatura ka batmu bantay de kiding Assam time kadai ka balasdang pentrei nadu usnem arhajar kendai. Ha ka jingmang pisa basan pon saufu prak lor tingka. Bat labu thong ban pendep hapo ka laisnem. Ya kamin building lapen kala hadin sya ka RCC bala ban kada ya ujimai bat laben rabru ya ka banquet hall. Henry ha usnem arhajar khatnriu kalami ka jingpen kala ka balam sya ka jing slam ban pendem. Ya kani ka project lapen ke imbyang do Menteri rangba akajela Konrad ke sangma ha usnem arhajar arpwe bar ka sarkar ka lapen mi ya arteli ki work order ban pendep ha ka jingtei ka bakenthum ya ka wei ka ba shipho pon khandai phuprak lor tingka. Bar ka wei pan nyo pon ripu khandai klor tingka. Na lor kani ka jingple pat ba ya ka Rajbhawan hatura Menteri rangba ulaban jeru ya ka jingplet jingmut jingka sarkar ban penklan ya ki jingtei jingki office dray kam ka sarkar habaro ki than jong ka jilla.
So may I request everyone to kindly stand for this great unveiling.
First of all, would like to thank God Almighty, for it is His blessings because of which we are all here, and it is because of His blessings that this project has finally seen the light of day. I also would like to thank and welcome our Honorable Governor, Shri Phagu Chauhanji, who has been instrumental and very supportive in making this project successful. To be part of this very important and I must say a very historic moment in the history of our state and specifically in the history of Garo Hills. I first of all would like to thank God Almighty, for it is His blessings because of which we are all here, and it is because of His blessings that this project has finally seen the light of day. I also would like to thank and welcome our Honorable Governor, Shri Phagu Chauhanji, who has been instrumental and very supportive in making this project successful. A Governor House, but it is a symbol of inclusiveness. It is a symbol to show that all the people in this state are one and united. And that is the most important message for today. This project has been pending for a very long time. सर, ये प्रोजेक्ट की शुरुआत बहुत पहले हुई थी और बहुत सालों से ये प्रोजेक्ट को निगलेक्ट किया गया एक तरीके से, और ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत सालों पहले ही खत्म होना चाहिए था, लेकिन अलग अलग कारणों की वजह से ये नहीं हो पाया. And the delay was something that had also led to large concerns from different parts of the state. And hence, today, the completion of this project is not just a milestone in terms of the Governor's Secretariat and for the Honorable Governor, but it is a very strong and important message for the people of our state.
Madam Agatha K. Sangma, Honorable MP, Tura constituency, and
the Governor's House highlights the commitment of our government to provide the best infrastructure and facilities to foster growth and development in this region. The Governor's House holds immense importance as it serves as a symbol of governance and is the seat of authority. It is here that the Governor
I'll bring the best. To everyone, and indeed today is a very, very important and very historic moment where we have today inaugurated the Governor House here in Tura, and this has been a very long pending project and also of great expectation from the people of the state, especially from the Garo Hills region. And hence today is a great moment for all of us, where we have been able to inaugurate the Governor House here in Tura, and it sends a very, very good and a positive message to the people of the state. And I'm happy that the Honorable Governor himself, Mr. Phagu Chauhanji, had inaugurated this Governor House, and I'm sure that now with this infrastructure being here, we will see the visit of the Governor more often to Garo Hills, and also we will see that the Governor will be able to spend more time here and connect with the people of this region of the state also. And hence it's a great development, and I once again thank the Honorable Governor, and would also like to thank the different departments that have played a very important role in completing this particular project.